What's up, guys? So if you are doing a shower and you're at the stage where you're about to put the cement board up and you want to make sure that your cement board can go over this lip instead of above it, I have a quick tip for you. All right. You could cut your cement board. You could bisect the bottom. I don't recommend doing that. It's a lot of work and potentially compromises the integrity of your cement board. This is a lot easier. And it also allows you to deal with if your tub sticks out more. Sometimes your tub will stick out, sometimes it'll be flush with the stud, sometimes it'll stick out just a little bit because sometimes you have a slightly warped stud, sometimes you have weird issues. This will deal with all that, okay? That shim has been placed so that the bottom of the shim sticks out the same distance as the lip of the shower. Okay, let me get a good view for you. So the cement board will go all the way down here, come up, be flat with the lip, and transition to the stud. There's an added benefit to doing this way. You can do multiple shims. You could create a custom shim where you cut your shims up and have it transition very slowly. Like I'm thinking about putting a partial right here because right here where I have two shims and then it's got a little bit of a lip, which isn't a big deal because it's cement board, but if I wanted to, I could put a partial shim right here. Anyway, this way deploys quickly, it's cheap, and it allows you to install cement board without compromising your cement board. So I hope you'll use it. If you like this video and you want to see more helpful do-it-yourself videos that are straight to the point, please just give me a subscribe and a like. Any questions, put it at the bottom. Have a good day, guys.